There was always this point, position, no money, etc. Now, as we have pointed out earlier also, there is a clear money coming from all panchayats under Gram Panchayat Development Plan. They are getting money from the central government. They are supposed to spend this money under 29 different headings. Heading number 13 is roads. So nobody can say we don't have money. And the good part about this, any proposal up to 2 lakhs can be cleared at a video level. So we have also briefed traffic police, RTO officers, to when some excuses are given that signage galon kushana, tell them immediately, please use the GPDP funds, and this is to be processed by the Village Development Committee, VDCs. So all 190 panchayats in Goa and all the panchayats in South Goa are beneficiaries of this, they can take advantage. So basically in today's meeting we have drawn up a sort of a roadmap as to how we are going to push all these issues forward, and we have also informed the RTO and traffic police about the changes that are coming, many changes. As you know, electric buses are going to come, new bus stand will come. We want more and more consultation, as we just now were discussing about the traffic signals. You see, if you put something without taking everybody into confidence, then it does not work, or you don't get support. So one of the things that we are going to push very much is the road safety and traffic management in every village and every municipality.